In today's video, I'm going to show you how to convert your WordPress website into a fully functional Android app step by step without any coding experience. This is perfect if you want your website available as an app, want to improve user engagement, or plan to publish your own Android app easily. We'll go through everything from preparing your WordPress site to generating a real APK file you can install on Android devices. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future tutorials. All right, let's get started. First, open your browser and go to your WordPress website homepage. Make sure you are logged into the WordPress dashboard with an admin account. Before converting your site into an app, it's important that your website branding is set correctly, especially your site icon. The site icon is what will appear as the app icon on Android devices, so this step really matters. From your WordPress dashboard, navigate to Settings, then click on General. Here, look for the Site Icon section. If you already have a site icon uploaded, quickly double-check that it looks good and meets the recommended size. If you don't have one yet, click Select Site Icon and upload a square image that represents your brand or website. Once the icon is uploaded and cropped correctly, scroll down and click Save Changes. This ensures your website is ready to be converted into an app with the correct branding. Now that your WordPress site is prepared, the next step is to convert it into an Android app. Open a new tab and go to WebIntoApp.com. This is a free online app maker that allows you to turn any website into a real Android APK file when the page loads. Click on the Get Started button to begin. You'll now see a setup screen where you need to enter your website details. In the URL field, paste the full link to your WordPress website. Make sure the site loads correctly and uses HTTPS if possible. Next, enter your app name. This should usually be the same as your website or business name. After that, click Next and choose Google Android as the platform. Once selected, click on Make App. The tool will now process your website and convert it into an Android app. This may take a few moments, so just wait for it to finish. When the process is complete, you'll see a download button. Click it to download your APK file. This is the actual Android app file that you can install on your phone or share with users. At this point, you've successfully converted your WordPress website into an Android app. You can test the APK on your Android device, share it with users, or even prepare it for publishing on the Google Play Store if you want to take it further. And that's it for this tutorial. You've now learned how to convert your WordPress website into an Android app step by step. If this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and share this video with anyone who might find it useful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.